Welcome to our animated guide on decimal to hexadecimal conversion. Today, we'll explore the fascinating world of hexadecimal numbers and learn how to convert decimal numbers into their hexadecimal equivalents. Let's get started. Hexadecimal numbers are a base, 16 numeral system that uses 10 to 15 English letters, A, B, C, D, E, and F, to represent values greater than 9. This system is commonly used to simplify binary to decimal and decimal to binary conversions. Each digit in a hexadecimal number represents 4 bits, making it easier to convert between binary and decimal by grouping bits into sets of 4. Start with a decimal number. Let's take an example, say 230. Divide the decimal number by 16 and note the remainder. When we divide 230 by 16, we get a quotient of 14 and a remainder of 6. Repeat the division process with the quotient from the previous step. Dividing 14 by 16, we get a quotient of 0 and a remainder of 14. Reverse the order of the remainders to get the hexadecimal equivalent. Reversing the remainders, we get the hexadecimal equivalent of 230 as. And there you have it. You've successfully converted the decimal number 230 into its hexadecimal representation using our step-by-step guide. Answer is E6 in base 16. We hope you enjoyed this animated guide on decimal to hexadecimal conversion. Remember, practicing and understanding this process will make hexadecimal conversion a breeze. If you have any questions or want to explore more topics, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational videos. Until next time, happy converting.